seen 357s, I seen 12 gauge shotguns, I seen 12 gauge on pumps, I seen 45 military special, I seen fucking Thompsons, I've seen hand grenades, I've seen big hand bazookas, I've seen 22 zip guns, I've seen 38 zip guns, I've seen dynamite on the street, I've seen all of this. You'd be surprised, man. Pretty soon they're gonna steal the damn atom bomb.
Something we're making for the Americans. It's called a ghetto blaster.
I'm a nuclear bomb detonator, co-creator that's disturbing the calm, and I'm loud, Puerto Rican and proud. Nigga Malcolm X machine gun made for moving the crowd, and I roar, amplified to the core, and I defy every law. Another Tupac Shakur, and I shout about to never sell out. Still the suckers are in doubt for what I'm talking about, but I'm down. So fuck a platinum crown. I'm the king without a booze, and call me A-Trap Brown, and I'm cool, and as a fire to fuel, and I'm sending every bit of glitter spitter to school, cause I'm hard, coming straight out of yard. See the SEC be calling in the National Guard, but I'm made to be a rapper in a gate, and now my radio's afraid to play a hand grenade. I'm a ghetto blaster. Said I'm the ghetto blaster. I'm a ghetto bastard. You better step aside cause I'm a walking disaster. Pentatonic blast. I've been screaming, non-believer said I never would last. What they fear is for the ear to hear. Another troublemaker, elevator bombardier. But I'm known better than Willie Colon, or the funky fox unknown comes to the microphone, and I rock. So fuck the Beatles a bach, cause I'm knocking every jocko cracker off of the block, and I roll without a volume control. I'm taking back what they stole, because you know I got soul, and I'm raw, shouting give me some more. I'm the social loud and super thick who spit by the door, and I rage, sabotage on the page like a 12-gauge Luke Cage stealing the stage. I explode in Underground Railroad. I'm your radio receiver, switch to overload. I'm a ghetto blaster. Said I'm the ghetto blaster. I'm a ghetto bastard. You better step aside cause I'm a walking disaster. I'm a ghetto blaster. Said I'm the ghetto blaster. I'm a ghetto bastard. You better run and hide around. Run faster.
I'm that ill freedom singer, another vandal, label X. Little red with the mic, my lecture bass, Malcolm X. Better yet, add the spirit of Nina but loaded text. In the spirit of Santeria for governmental hex. I'm jobless with ill tech, be the crew that called next. Then they all left, cause they too right to process my process. Not the usual suspect, a Puerto Rock from Yard, Brooklyn BX, yes.
Like a chicken by a bottle full of gasoline. I bring noise. I ain't one of the boys about to search and destroy every last one of you toys. And I spit as if I don't give a shit, because the master blaster Molotov is already lit. I'm a ghetto blaster. Said I'm the ghetto blaster. I'm a ghetto bastard. You better step aside cause I'm a walking disaster. I'm a ghetto blaster. Said I'm the ghetto blaster. I'm a ghetto bastard. You better run and hide by the bar of a master. And you know that it's true, that for me and for you